Right. So we kind of invalidated a buy signal that we had for Shiba a couple of days ago on the daily time frame, and we went lower. So we still haven't come close to the range low, which sits around 517. So the same. I feel like the range lows of a lot of altcoins are gonna get swept unless they already have been. So this is what I'm looking at. So for me, if a confirmation of an upswing will arrive after we close above 727, and the highest I can see it see Shiba go is 869. But yeah, this honestly Shiba Inu kind of disappointed. It should have gone higher, but the correlation with Bitcoin is has messed its price action.
Yeah,
So
I agree with that 100%. It just at one point it looked like it had the symmetry and the price structure to actually accomplish something, have a bullish outcome, and it just kind of faded away.
yeah, I know, right? Like, I was expecting it to breach 107 here after like multiple attempts, failed attempts here, right? So, but I honestly expected it to happen here with this buy signal. This was a really good confluence with that bullish thesis, but no, it got really correlated with Bitcoin, and now it's moving with it. So, yeah, so, sweep. This is what I'm looking at for Shiba. Sweep the lows and then have a lot of sideways movement, and then hopefully, if we're lucky, we'll probably hit the mid level, the midpoint range, which is 869.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm done, Sheldon.
Okay. Yeah, I really don't see too much other than that. I avoided the inverse head and shoulders pattern, and to me, it's a loose descending parallel channel that we have here. The low of the lower range of the channel will give us a undercut of these lows that we saw at 550 and 560. Whether we go below that, it's tough to say. I don't have the price data extending back into here to give a price view there, but we will test the lows. We will undercut. How far we go below that, undetermined for me. On the upside, really the 50-day simple moving average at 768 is really the upside resistance for me at this point. You'll notice once the 50-day came into play, it really was a problem. Would put pressure on price up until this point. So obviously that's an obstacle that needs to be overcome on a daily closing basis, even preferably on a weekly basis. And then the upper range of the channel up here around 889. Other than that, if I'm an investor, I'm on the sidelines. I'm waiting for a test of the lows or a break and a test of this lower channel. Maybe you take the low risk opportunity and enter a trade there and then trade it up to the 50-day. Otherwise, I would consider Shiba dead money here today.